Hello everyone, welcome. Today's very exciting lesson. You're learning English with my tiramisu recipe. With my tiramisu recipe, you are going to impress your family by suggesting these desserts, but also your colleagues. Just say, hey guys, let's have a break. Stop working now. It's time to eat my desserts. For those who are alone, never mind. You can still enjoy your dessert in front of your favorite movie on Netflix. I don't want to be show off right now, but my friends usually say to me that it's very tasty dessert with a wonderful presentation. So I wanted to make this very easy for you. That is why I dropped everything on my table for you to clearly see what you need. Amaretto, 3 eggs, coffee, mascarpone, vanilla sugar, cane sugar, and a glass container. So for this recipe, I used 5 glass containers. I simply bought them in the supermarkets. Don't forget the chocolate powder and the sponge fingers, very important. Relax, you can find the list of the ingredients in the description after watching the video, okay? Don't feel disappointed also, I cook just like my mom. That is to say, I measure with my hand. I know this will really get on pastry chef nerves to hear this, as they always say, baking is a science. So sorry to all top chefs watching right now the video. In a big bowl, put the eggs, mascarpone, and brown sugar, and then mix everything with a whisk. Oh, also, the coffee was made in a very classic way, as you can see. Now have a look to this video and repeat it for yourself. Ta-da! The result is amazing, isn't it? Now put this in your fridge for 3 hours minimum. After this, you are ready to enjoy your dessert. Look how the texture is amazing. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Back to French. Alors, apprendre l'anglais en cuisinant, c'est possible. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez travailler votre compréhension orale. Vous avez écouté la vidéo et vous avez pu apprendre de nouveaux mots. Whisk, par exemple, qui veut dire fouet en français, sponge fingers pour les biscuits à la cuillère, boudoir. Mais vous avez aussi entendu plusieurs temps. Présent Be plus ing, Prétérit Simple, Impératif. Je te laisse retrouver toutes ces formes et je te dis à bientôt pour une nouvelle vidéo.